Solve for x in the equation log x base 3 all this squared minus log x base 3 is equal to 0. Log x base 3 all this squared simply means log x base 3 is multiplied by log x base 3. We are going to start by factoring log x base 3. Log x base 3 times log x base 3 gives us log x base 3 squared minus log x base 3 times 1, it remains log x base 3 is equal to 0. For this product to be equal to 0, either log x base 3 is equal to 0 or log x base 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. Then we take the first star for log x base 3 equal to 0. Then we are going to change from logarithmic form to index form. Then x will simply be equal to 3 raised to the power 0. And 3 raised to the power 0 is simply equal to 1. This is the first solution. We move now to 2 star for log x base 3 minus 1 equal to 0. 2 star log x base 3 minus 1 equal to 0. Then we are going to transfer 1 to the right hand side, negative 1 to the right hand side, which becomes positive. Log x base 3 will be equal to 1. Then if we change from logarithmic form to index form, x will simply be equal to 3 raised to the power 1, and 3 raised to the power 1 is simply equal to 3. Then we conclude, therefore, the logarithmic equation has solutions x equal to 1 or x equal to 3, because x cannot take two values at the same time. We are done with the solution. Please like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.